Hi everyone! In this part, we're going to explore the backend section of the restaurant POS in Odoo 19. Let's start with the available menus. Here, you can see sections such as orders, products, reporting, and configuration. First, let's open the orders menu. In this section, you can view all the orders created through the restaurant POS. You can see the order status, customer information, and other related details. When you open an order, you can view complete information, including inventory transfers, delivery operations, and invoices associated with that order. Moving to the payments section, you can see the payment methods used for each order and track all payment records generated through the POS. Next, let's look at the preparation display. The preparation display is designed to connect restaurant orders with the kitchen or preparation area. Orders placed through the POS can be sent directly to the kitchen display screen, allowing staff to monitor and prepare dishes efficiently. Now, let's move to the products section. From here, you can create new products, manage existing products, and configure product-related settings for your restaurant. Under Configuration, you'll find options such as POS categories, price lists, product variants, discounts, loyalty programs. These settings help you organize products and create promotional strategies for your customers. Next, let's look at the reporting section. Odoo provides several reports to help you analyze restaurant performance, including Orders Report, Sales Details Report, Session Report, Preparation Time Report. These reports provide valuable insights into sales, operations, and kitchen efficiency. Now let's move to Configuration and Open Payment Methods. Here, you can create and manage additional payment methods. For example, let's open the card payment method. Inside the payment method configuration, you can define various settings related to card payments. If you're using online payments, you can enable them and connect a payment provider directly from here. Similarly, if you're working with delivery partners, you can configure delivery-related payment integrations and connect the required providers. You can also configure accounting settings, such as journals, outstanding receipts, and other financial options associated with the payment method. Now let's open the POS settings. In the Settings page, you can configure various restaurant POS features. You can select available payment methods, manage product restrictions, configure taxes, enable line discounts, and customize other POS behaviors. If you're integrating with delivery platforms, this is where you can enable delivery services and configure the required settings for your delivery partners. You can also define inventory operation types and select the warehouse operations that should be used when processing restaurant orders. Almost every aspect of the restaurant POS can be configured from this section, allowing you to tailor the system to your restaurant's workflow. And that's a basic overview of the backend configuration and management features available in the Restaurant POS module of Odoo 19. Thank you.